Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 13 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today we are going to solve problem number 1310, XOR queries of a subarray. So let's read the problem statement first. You are given an array of positive integers. You are also given the array queries, where queries of I, simply we have given two values, left of I and right of I. Okay, so simply means that this is some range that is given to us, right? For each query I, we have to compute the XOR of elements from left of I to right of I, that is array of left of I, array of left of I plus 1 to array of right of I. Okay, until here. Then in the end we have to just return an array answer, where answer of I is the answer to the ith query. Okay, so let's understand this problem with an example first. Okay, so this is array given to us and these are the queries, right? So here if I just want to give the indexes on this array, so this is nothing but 0th index, 1 index, 2 index and 3 index. Okay, and these are the queries given to us. So first this query. Okay, so here range is from this left to this right. So 0 to 1 we need to find the XOR of nothing but 1 and 3. Okay, so you guys must know what the XOR operations. Okay, so if I just draw the table for XOR, okay, A, B and result. Okay, so if two values are same, then the output will remain 0 only. Okay, and if any value is different, then the result will be 1. Okay, so this is nothing but my XOR table. Okay, this is clear, right? So here 0 to 1, so 1 and 3. Okay, so 1 and 3 are the elements. So the binary representation of the elements in the array are 1. Okay, we represent 1 like this in binary form, 3 like this. Okay, so 0 0 0 1 and 3 is like this, 0 0 1 1. Okay, now simply do the XOR. So both the values are same, write 0. Both the values are different, so write 1. Both the values are same, 0 0. So what is the output I am getting here? So this bit value is 1, this bit value is 2, this bit value is 4, this bit value is 8. So answer is 2. So right, so here I am writing 2, right? The XOR values for queries are 0 1, 1 XOR 3 is 2. Okay, so this is how I am writing 2 here. Then take this query 1 2. Okay, 1 to 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so XOR of 3 and 4 we are doing, so we are getting 7. 0 to 3, so all the elements from 0 to 3. So what are the elements from 0 to 3? 1 we need to XOR of 1 with 3, we need to XOR of this one with 4, we need to XOR of this one with 8. Okay, so 1 XOR 3 XOR 4 XOR 8, we are going to get output as 14. Okay, this is why I am writing 14 here. 3 3, so just single element. Okay, this range, so 8, so simply I am writing 8. Okay, so this is how we are going to get our result. Okay, so we can actually solve this problem using brute force algorithm, but I'm not going to take much time on that brute force algorithm. I will show you one shortcut to solve this problem using prefix sum. Okay, but if you want the solution, okay, on how to solve this problem using brute force, then you can refer this solution. Okay, so let me just go over this solution quickly. So in this, what I'm going to do here, first I'm just calculating the length of the queries. Okay, then initialize k value as 0. Then in this I am going to store the result. Okay, then after that what I am doing, I am iterating over all the queries one by one. So let's pick this query 0 1. Okay, so this is one query, right? So I am iterating over all the queries one by one. So for this I am taking this as left, I am taking this as right. Okay, here, and then initially I am setting my XOR value to the left. Okay, so array of left is nothing but 0. Array of 0 value is here 1. Okay, so here in XOR I am adding 1. Okay, initializing this as 1. Then after that I am doing the XOR of all the elements from left plus 1. Okay, since I have already considered left, so left plus 1, I is less than equal to right, I plus plus. Okay, so here let's suppose this is a range 0 to 3. So first I am considering this value and then after that I'm taking all the values. Okay, so simple brute force now. I'm doing the XOR of all the values in my array for that particular range left to right. Okay, after taking that, I am just storing that value of result of k. Initialize k is 0 now, so result of 0 is equal to XOR, and then I'm incrementing k, and in the end I'm just returning result. Okay, so this solution is very easy, right? Using simple brute force algorithm, you will be able to pass all the test cases for this particular problem. Okay, but now I will show you how we are going to solve this problem using prefix sum calculation. Okay, so this is a little bit interesting here. Okay, so let me just copy this array. So array elements are 1 3 4 8. Okay, so array elements are 1 3 4 and 8. Okay, so now after that I'm going to create one prefix sum array. Okay, and this prefix sum array is going to have the same length or as my this array. Okay, and I'm going to add all the values here. Okay, so prefix sum. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take initially my XOR value as 0. Okay, and then after that I am going to do the XOR of all these numbers one by one. Okay, so first I am going to do 0 XOR of this value. Okay, the value which is available at index number 0, right? So I'm going to do the XOR. Okay, so 0 XOR 1. So what is the output that I'm going to get? So write 0 like this and 1 like this. So output I'm going to get here is 1. Okay, so here I'm writing 1 prefix sum. Okay, I'm filling this. Then I have calculated 1 here. Then do the 1 XOR with 3. Okay, 1 XOR with 3. So 1 XOR 3. So write 1 like this. So this is my 1, and 3 I'm going to write it like this. Okay, so these are the bit values now, 1 2 4. So 3 we represent like this. Okay, do the XOR of this one. So 1 1 same, so write 0 0 1 different, 1 0 0 same, so write 0. Okay, so here what is this? 1 2 4. So this is nothing but this value is 2. Okay, so here I am filling 2, right? Then do the 2 XOR with 4. Okay, 2 XOR with 4 I am going to do, and going to fill that value here. Okay, so 2 I'm going to write 2 like this, and 4 I'm going to write it like this, right? So this is a bit values now, 1 2 4. Okay, then do the XOR of these two. So you will get output as like this, 1 1 0. So this is nothing but 6. So write 6 here. Then do the XOR of 6 and 8. Okay, so 6 and 8 XOR. Okay, so let me write 6 first. So 6 I'm going to write it like this, and 8 I'm going to write it like this. Okay, so here if I just give the values 1 2 4 8, so you will see my output as 0. Both are different, 1, both are different, 1, both are different, 1. So my output is 8 4 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14. Okay, so here I'm going to write 14. Okay, so this is a prefix sum that I'm going to get, 1 2 6 4. Okay, so let me write prefix sum here, 1 2 and 6 and 14, right? This is what I'm getting, 1 2 6 14. Okay, now what are the queries given to us? 0 1 1 2. Okay, so let me write the queries. So queries are 0 1, then there is one more query 1 2, and then after that what is the other query? 0 3 and 3 3. Okay, 0 3 and 3 3, 0 3 and 3 3. Okay, these are the queries. Now what I'm going to do? Okay, now see, so we have to calculate the result. Okay, and I'm going to give the size of this result array same as my number of queries. So total queries are 4, so result size is going to be 4. Okay, now I have to fill all these values. Okay, so 0 to 1. So let me just give the indexes: 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index. Okay, so 0 to 1. Okay, so 0 to 1 simply means that this 0 to 1. Okay, so simply see what is the value stored here. So since this value is 0 now, there is nothing beyond this. Okay, beyond this 0 there is nothing. So starting from here itself and till here we have already calculated the prefix sum, right? We have already calculated the prefix sum till here, and that prefix sum was 2. Okay, so how we are calculating prefix sum? Prefix sum is nothing but the XOR, right? So we get prefix sum here, 0 XOR 1 1 and 1 XOR 3 2. Okay, so until here in this range this was the prefix sum, right? So this prefix sum is already stored at this particular index. So I'm going to write simply here 2. Easy, right? Then next range is 1 to 2. Okay, now it is interesting what we need to do here. Okay, 1 to 2 I need to calculate. So simply means that I need to do the XOR of 3 and 4. Okay, 3 XOR 4. Okay, but here if you see at this particular index, I am storing the XOR of all these numbers 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Okay, this is what I am doing now, right? So I need the XOR of 3 and 4 in this range 1, 2. But until here I am storing the XOR of 1, 3, 4. Okay, so if I just do the XOR of this complete 1, 3, 4 with 1, I will get the XOR equal to 3 XOR 4. Why so? Okay, so let's suppose two numbers are same, 1 and 1. Okay, if I want to do the XOR of two numbers which are same, so let me write here 1. So this is how we write 1. So we will always get 0. So it simply means that this is cancelled out. Okay, same numbers. Okay, same numbers, when I'm doing the XOR of same numbers, then they will cancel out each other. So here in this 6, okay, I already know the value of this 6. So I just need to do the XOR of this 6 with my left minus 1. Okay, the value which is at left minus 1. Okay, so here I need the 1 to 2. Okay, so this is nothing but my 1 index. Okay, so I need this one. Okay, 1 to 2, but 6 is nothing but 6 is the value of complete, right? So just do the XOR of 6 with my left minus 1. This is my right and left. So take the value at right. So right index value is 6 XOR with left minus 1. If my left is greater than 0, only in that case I am doing this. So 6 XOR with 1. So what is the output that you are going to get? This value. Okay, 6 XOR 1. So here write 6 first. So 1, 2, 4. Okay, so this is how we write 6 and do the XOR with 1. So what we will get? We will get 1, 1, 1. That is nothing but 7. So here I am writing 7. Okay, so now let's see this one. So 0 to 3. Okay, 0 to 3. 3 is nothing but my right and this is nothing but my left. Okay, so if my left is equal to 0, then I don't need to do left minus 1. Okay, then simply return the value which is at 3. So at 3 the value is 14, so simply write 14 here. Okay, now see carefully again, 3 to 3 only. So left is 3, right is 3. Okay, so this is my left and this is my right. Okay, so at here 14 is stored. Okay, but this 14 is nothing but 1 XOR this 14 is nothing but the XOR of 1, 3, 4, 8. Okay, so XOR of 1, 3, 4, 8 is nothing but 14, right? See here, 1 XOR 3 XOR 4 XOR 8 is nothing but 14. But now I just need this range, 3 to 3. So for 3 to 3 we know that we will only get the output as 8, but here it is 14. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here, if I do the XOR of 14 with, I don't need the previous value, right? I just need this range, 3 to 3. I don't need the previous. So if I do the XOR with 1, 3 XOR 4, so what is the XOR of 1, 3, 4? So 1, 3, 4 XOR is 6. Okay, so here 14 XOR 6. So this is what I am saying now, always take the right value is nothing but 14, and do the XOR of this one with my left value minus 1. So left minus 1 is nothing but 2. At 2 value is 6. So 14 XOR 6 is 8. Right, if you want to see this like binary form, so let me draw that. 1, 1, 8, 1, 0, this is for 14, right? And 6 for 6 we are going to get it like this. Okay, do the XOR of this one. So both the values are same, 0. Both the values are same, 0. Both the values are same, 0. 1 is different, so here write 1. So I am getting nothing but 8 here. So this is by 8. So 2, 7, 14, 8. So this is my output. 2, 7, 14, 8. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with the prefix sum calculations. Okay, what we are doing here. So now let's move to the coding part. Easy, right? So here first let's calculate the length of my number of queries. Okay, I have. So queries dot length. Okay, then initialize one variable int k is equal to 0. We need this in future. Then after that, first create one prefix sum array. Okay, and the size of this one is going to be nothing but my array size. Okay, so new int here, just pass array dot length. Okay, and we also need one result array. Okay, so result array size is going to be n, that is nothing but the query's length size. Okay, so here I'm just going to write n. Then just iterate over all the values one by one of my array. So here I have to write array dot length, and here I plus plus, and inside this let's take one variable XOR, and give the value as 0 here, and inside this just do the XOR of XOR is equal to XOR with my array of I value. Okay, and just store this value ps of I. I'm just going to store this value here. Okay, XOR. So in this step I'm just calculating the prefix sum. Okay, so I will get this result 1 2 6 14. Okay, ps. So this is done. Then after that I have to iterate over all the queries one by one. So let's run one for each loop. Int query in my queries. Okay, so left value is nothing but query of 0, and my right value is nothing but query of 1. And then after that I have to check if my left value is greater than 1, then I just need to here write XOR is equal to nums. Okay, nums name my array. Oh, ps, right? Ps of right. Okay, if left is greater than 1. Okay, then that in that case only we need to do this now. Ps of left minus 1 I need to pass here. Okay, but if my left is equal to 0, then in that case simply here right left is greater than 0 now. So in the else case my XOR is going to be just ps of right. Okay, that's it. And then here once this is done, then after that we need to store this value result of k is equal to XOR, and then just increment the value of my k, and in the end just return the result array. That's it. Okay, so now let me just run it and see if there are any code issues. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? And it beats 100% of users with Java, right? So in this case, see, we are iterating over first all the elements in my array, then we are creating this prefix sum array, right? So array dot length, if you want to say, let's say the array dot length is nothing but m. Okay, then we are iterating over all the queries one by one. Okay, m for this one and n plus n for this one. Okay, so overall time complexity I'm going to say is going to be O of m plus n, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.